Hello everyone, can you solve this easy problem? The question says you have x plus 1 over x is equal to 5 and you want to find the value of this expression 2x over 3x square minus 5x plus 3. The first thing that might come to your mind is that let us solve this by making this a quadratic equation for x and then get the value of x. But 99% of the time the value of x is going to be either imaginary number or it could be a complicated irrational number, right? So we should not do that and do it something else. What we can do here, first of all, you can see that 3x square plus 3, we can take out 3 common and that would become x square plus 1, right? Why this is helpful? Because you can see that from the given expression of x plus 1 over x equals 5, we can have x square plus 1 equals 5x. So that things goes here and you have 15x and the denominator becomes 2x over 15x minus 5x, that becomes 2x over 10x, and that gives you 1 over 5. This is our right answer here. I hope you like the video. You can follow this channel for more videos. Thank you.